Korosi. It's so nice to see you today.
And nice to see you, Dad.
Hello there, friendly YouTube watcher. Thanks for stopping by. We are Korosi Fam, a Canadian/Hungarian family of 3, as in 2 adults and 1 quickly growing toddler. Our YouTube channel is about the joys and struggles of parenting, and we have a vlog series as well. In fact, that is what you are about to watch. A vlog. You know, it's like a blog, but with videos. Time to go Lavender City. Subscribe, please! Hey, good morning, friends. Well, Alyssa and Annabelle are at the dance class, as usual today. Which gives me just the perfect amount of time to do a little workout sesh here. Because next week is release week. If you're a fellow Les Mills instructor, you know exactly what I mean. But today we have a very, very exciting day. But before we get into the meat of the vlog, we need to get this out of the way. The girls are dancing, up are practicing. So it's time to get some pump on.
I go and create the pressure. You wish that you could do better. You wish that you could do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crate. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits.
Workout done. Excellent release. What was that tricep drag, Glenn? It's kind of a challenge. Okay, the girls are back home. Alyssa is watching last week's video for the first time. We went to the zoo. If you haven't seen it, might as well check it out. The big event for today, we are going to a lavender farm. And actually, this is a lavender farm and you folks have been with us already when Annabelle was 1 year old. The reason why we're going, because a walk of color vendor market. Papa needs to make your sandwich, okay? It's a sandwich done. Uh-huh. So there's supposed to be like a lot of nice vendors at this market, and you know, like for Christmas, I don't know, we're at that age now when we really like to support local and give like local crafty gifts for our friends and family for Christmas. Hopefully we're gonna do some Christmas shopping, but other than that, it's just enjoying the nice weather. Annabelle might have a little play date there. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be another kids there, so you know, it's just gonna be a nice little fun getaway. And of course, my drone bag once again. Hopefully I'll be able to drone. Hello, friend.
How are you today?
Good. There should be a spot up in there.
Super duper. Thanks, pal.
Beauty, thanks, Rob.
Hey, did you know we made it to the country? Annabelle, guess where we are? We are here.
We are countryland. Hello.
You want to go say hi to Casey? Hi, Annabelle.
I feel like Annabelle just woke up.
Oh, she waking up?
Yeah.
Were you dancing today? Yes. Yeah.
What a nice day.
Beautiful. Hi, how's it going, Casey? We are not country folks. So
Oh, we don't no rubber boots.
Rubber boot rule.
So we made it to the place, and it's nice. What a beautiful, beautiful day for an event like this. So we're just gonna go walk around a bit, see what's out here, and then just enjoy ourselves. Are you guiding the girls?
Apparently, I'm the ringleader.
I love your sweater. It's so pretty. Did you go see the animals yet?
We did.
Yeah.
See the goatsies. How is today going, Jess?
Good, good.
Yeah?
Very busy
Yeah?
so far, yeah.
For the viewers here, Jess is the owner of this wonderful place.
He's
There you
so
go.
cool.
Every time you come here, it's so much bigger, there's so much more stuff. It's beautiful.
Well, I want some too.
since we walked around like most of this part, what do you think?
Very amazing,
Okay.
and I want to buy stuff, but I'm also a parent. It's conflicting times. You sure?
So Lisa, my good friend and my colleague here, you've been here last year and the year previous.
Not last year, the year before.
Yeah, okay.
It was, yeah.
And you're saying that each year is just getting...
Oh, it's getting bigger and yeah, it's a lot nicer, yeah.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, a beautiful day today. The last time I was here, it was a really cold, windy day and couldn't even be outside, so.
Oh yeah? Redneck area of Coesbrook. Urbania.
It was Urbania, yeah, we're in Cooksbrook.
Yeah, check out this place. It's called...
Homestead Lavender.
So now we're gonna go look around, maybe get some Christmas gifts.
Yep.
Yeah, start some Christmas gifts and
And
then...
I'm watching the kids.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
they're just
That's
gonna
awesome.
be here.
Hi, I'm Ruth, and these are boho baubles. So it's Nova Scotia wool from River John, Nova Scotia, Lismore Sheep Farm, and I repurpose jewelry and make a boho bauble. So boho means hippie kind of style clothing, and a bauble is a showy trinket. And I made pendants. Yeah.
They smell very nice.
Thank you.
What are these?
They are wands, crystal wands. So some people use them as just like a decor piece.
Hello.
Oh, they might have vegan stuff too.
Summer tires that everybody has. Because there's 4 cars now.
Hard to see from the moment we arrive.
Help yourself. Go to town, girl. Just eat. Go ahead.
There's a lot of nachos. On the back, here's like a Sprite. Sprite.
Casey's is long when it's wet. But then when it's
halfway down her back.
But when
Mommy
it's
drink?
not wet, it's all curled right up
curls.
to just straight up to about here.
You want to try one?
It's bubbly.
It's bubbly.
Burns to the sky, it's all too late. You wonder why, Cornelia. Time's been bad. You put smiles on everyone.
Alright, what is this Taco Bros? As we're nearing the end of our lunch, what will you score it?
Out of 10, I'd give it a 5.
Okay. They had 0 vegan options, so that's a 0 for me.
Yeah.
Annabelle? What is your score? Casey, did you like the nachos? Yeah?
They good?
There you go. Casey's score is pretty high.
I need to shop.
Okay, upper drone. Finally. Get food. Alyssa?
Now we're gonna go shopping.
Here, the ocean is near. Where you dug a hole. Buried my fear.
You're feeding the chicken.
We scattered like trees.
Oh, not up the nose, just on the nose. How is it? Is that
I
good
think
stuff?
she likes it.
Yeah. Have you ever had hot chocolate before?
What are we having, Alyssa, here?
Lavender hot chocolate, and it's so good.
Oh, yeah?
Hi, Horsey. It's so nice to see you today. And nice to see you, Dad.
We're done with this place so far.
Yeah.
So now we're just gonna go home and then wrap up the video because there's one more thing that I wanna put in this before we finish.
I like flowers.
Lavender, 10 out of 10.
A box for me.
So we're gonna be wrapping up this video with unwrapping a package. My family in Ottawa, they sent us a package completely unexpectedly. This arrived yesterday and we have no idea what's in it. So in the meantime, while we're opening this, how was a walk-up color that we didn't even do? We didn't do
walk
the trail.
color. I really think we had a good time.
Oh, it was excellent time.
It's just so nice to talk to people again and be out. And everyone was really good about wearing a mask inside the store, but because everything was outside or in like a really well-ventilated greenhouse, people didn't have to wear their masks everywhere.
Yeah.
Parking was awesome. There was some food. They really, the porta potties, like they really thought about everything.
And I feel like Annabelle and Casey are like,
They're best friends.
yeah, they're besties now.
Oh, that's so cute. So maybe
that's a strong start.
Annabelle, come here. The girls drew them a picture. Excellent art.
Excellent.
Girls. Oh, Annabelle. Oh, it's a hard time. Oh, the little
I love
koalas.
these. Oh my god, there's so much clothes. Either.
Is that a rainbow suit? For the beach. That's
Yeah.
right.
This is all yours, honey.
This is all for Annabelle. The girls drew you a picture. It isn't in Hungarian, so you'll have to read it with Appa. But you can show it to Mommy too.
Oh.
Kittens! I was just thinking today, I was like, we really should wear some kittens. You got a lobster. You want to look inside the box?
Yeah.
Open it up.
Open her up, girl.
2 hands.
Oh.
Oh, wow. What color are those shoes? Are those pink shoes?
These look brand new.
They really do.
This is edible shoe.
They
Ah,
are
bad
edible
shoes.
shoes. Thank you so much for joining us today for family time. We really appreciate you guys stopping by.
Check out Homestead Lavender.
If you want to know when we put stuff out, make sure you hit that little bell button after you hit subscribe. And
Yeah.
you'll find out when we stick it into the mail.
Which is usually every week.
And make sure you give this video a big old like.
Daddy Julie, thank you so much for all this.
Yeah, we're going to call you guys right now.
Alright. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.